Programming, also known as coding, is the process of creating instructions for a computer or other computing devices to follow in order to perform specific tasks. It involves writing lines of code using a programming language to tell the computer what actions to take and how to process and manipulate data. Programs or software applications are created through programming. These programs can range from simple scripts that automate repetitive tasks to complex applications and systems that power various technologies we use in our daily lives. Programming languages provide a structured way to communicate with computers. They consist of a set of rules and syntax that determine how instructions are written and interpreted by the computer. Some popular programming languages include Python, Java, C++, JavaScript, and Ruby, among others. The process of programming typically involves several steps, including problem-solving, algorithm design, coding, debugging, and testing. Programmers use their knowledge of programming languages, algorithms, and problem-solving techniques to write efficient and effective code.